Imagine this. Your home hits the market Friday, and by Monday, you have 3 offers in your inbox. It sounds too good to be true in today's slower market, but it is still very possible. In this video, I will show you how to create multiple offer momentum even in a cooler market. Let's start with the foundation, and that is strategic pricing. The number one reason why homes do not sell is simply due to the pricing strategy. If your home is slightly below perceived market value, that is where you will drive in value. From there, you will drive in showings, offers, and that is how you can create a bidding war. It creates urgency and ties in with emotions. I have had many listings where we priced it slightly below the market value, what we perceived it would be, and we drove the price up thousands of dollars with urgency, bidding wars, and negotiations. And it's best to have multiple offers to deal with rather than 0. But pricing is not the only thing. Once you have them attracted with the price, the presentation is what seals the deal. Buyers will scroll on Zillow, Redfin, and if they see the house, the front picture looks appealing, the price could make sense, then they will click on it. From there, they will scroll for a few photos. From there, if the home is decluttered, clean, the presentation is nice, also virtual staging could help them envision their own belongings in the home. Professional photography and virtual staging are things that we also include in our listings to help drive up the price. And on top of the pricing and marketing, the home has to be accessible. Buyers have to be able to schedule a showing, so being flexible with that is also very important. Keeping the home in the same condition that the photos were shot in are also very important to let them know that you are keeping up with the home, so they do not worry if there is anything wrong. Now, if you're doing all of these things and you're still not receiving offers, it is time to relaunch the momentum, which could mean rearranging photos, a new price, which then allows for new marketing. I have done this dozens of times where we have adjusted the price and still received over asking on the new adjustment. It is simply due to the value the buyers see when they look at your home and point a price on it. Last but not least, make sure that your agent is not only asking for feedback, but asking them what would it take for your buyer to submit an offer. This would help drive a conversation and could create an offer. If you or anyone you know is thinking of selling now or in the future, reach out. My number is 704-903-3132. And as always, if you found this video helpful, leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.